no mai koutou. Ko Kendrick ia. He is Kendrick.
In more ata Winton School, ko talia ia. She is Talia. Welcome to the N.E.W.S news for Rapare, the 11th of February.
Okay, let's start with the joke. Knock knock.
Who's there?
Brittney Spears.
Brittney Spears who?
Knock knock.
Who's there?
Brittney Spears.
Brittney Spears who?
Oops, I did it again.
Straight into the kupu or te wiki then. This week's word is Kata, which is te reo for laugh.
As in, he aha ko I kata na. Why are you laughing?
I'm not. That was the worst joke in the world.
Kata, which is te reo for laugh.
Okay, on to health and safety news. The UV forecast for today is high from 12 o'clock until 4 o'clock.
And very high from 1 o'clock until 3 o'clock. Kia ora.
And high-vis vests. Most students are wearing them to and from school. Please do likewise.
And if you missed any notices, you can play the news again, or you can read all the notices in the text box below.
And that's it for today. From everyone here at the N.E.W.S news team, ka kite a popo. See you tomorrow.
Haere rā, Winton School, and stay classy.